You know you're fishing early whenever it's dark outside still. Got up at 3:45. Got packed up. Waiting on Ryan. There we go. Off to the races. Switching to 4-wheel drive now, huh?
Yes, sir. Let's ride.
Somebody falling? Fishing maybe though. Damn, bro, you gave away our spot away. Yeah, that might be a good thing though, because
Maybe going to the end of the corner.
What are you targeting today?
Anything that bites my line.
Yeah.
Like a catfish with a hook.
I don't mind some catfish. Hey, hopefully we have as good of a day as we did last time. You caught a big ass redfish. I caught a big ass shark last time. It was a real good night last time. Obstacles, bro. fishing for like 10 minutes. I barely even got one bait out there. You already caught one. It's a little bit. That's cool. It's the first hammerhead. First hammerhead I've seen. How does it feel, bro?
Feels
First
nice.
shark of the day.
Good way to start.
I'm a good bit now. I did not see that coming, bro. That was quick.
Yeah.
That's a nice little fish, too.
Nice little scallop hammerhead.
Oh, yeah. Got him. Little speck. Not a bad fish. First one of the day. Pretty fish. It was pretty good. Fighting, whatever it is. It was pulling line. It was mad. It's up the shore, it was mad. Oh, stay on there. A redfish. Not a big one, but a nice little redfish. There we go. There we go, baby. Second one of the day. Is that a fish? Is it seaweed? I can't tell. Maybe it's just seaweed. I think I just caught seaweed. That's some bullshit. Certainly felt like, oh, it's a fish. It's a fish. We're on. Oh, there he goes. There's the fight. Come on. What is it? Gaff top? Oh, it's a shark, I think. It's a shark. The second shark of the day. The second shark of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Let me get a closer look because it's tiny. Oh yeah. Right there in the surf. Sharks are everywhere. If you walk in the ocean, there's sharks out there. Let's drag them. What's going on? Are you just caught up on it?
Huh?
Are you caught up on this
No,
one?
I just saw a fish jump out there.
This one started peeling line though. Yeah, you might be crossed. You might be crossed.
Do me a favor, reel that in.
We both know it's too late, but I think you already know. 'Cause it shows that every time you're around, I try to stay on the low. But it grows, that crazy feeling that I want you here with me. I wanna push it on down, but it will not leave. It's like I'm losing my mind, turning wrong into right. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. I'm like a moth to a flame, I should've known better, but you're pulling me in, pulling me in.
Another black tip, bigger one this time.
There's something that I cannot fight. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in.
Heck yeah, dude.
It's like I'm stuck in reverse,
That's
crashing
3
back
shots
into
already.
you. What's the use? I wish that I could unlearn all the things you would do. Let me loose in that old feeling that I want you here with me. I wanna push it on down, but it will not leave.
Got it.
It's like I'm losing my mind, turning wrong into right.
Might be something on that one.
I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in.
Did he get a
I'm
double
like a
hookup?
moth to a flame, I should've known better,
No, I
but
don't
you're
think so.
pulling me in, pulling
shark's
me
nice, though.
in. There's something in those
Not a bad one.
hazel eyes. There's something that I cannot fight. I try to keep you
Sweet good
away,
guy.
but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. The harder we fight, we go deeper. It's only a part, we are weaker, so what are we waiting for? I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. I'm like a moth to a flame, I should've known better, but you're pulling me in, pulling me in. There's something in those hazel eyes. There's something that I cannot fight. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in.
I need to hurry up though so I can get back in case that one still is chewing on it. This is where most people would stop because it starts getting deep. Keep going past that to the second sandbar that's trying to be done with it. Starts getting shallower. It is. Well, once you get to that second sandbar, don't go too much further out. You might hit a rip tide and get sucked out. Starting to get deeper again. Probably call it right here. Take this load back. Hey, turn that other one on. Turn that other camera on. I don't know how big he is. It doesn't feel super big. But he might not be fighting yet. Yeah. You don't feel super big unless he's just kind of coming with me right now. He's not super big, I don't think. Ah, he's a little guy. Huh? That pisses me off. He just ate it. Oh! Okay, never mind. He just ate a huge piece of bait. Greedy little guy. Hey. That's okay though, I'm so happy about it. Not a bad little fish. Not a monster, but a nice little shark. Better than nothing. I don't think I can get my bait back, which sucks. Alright, some more bait. We needed that guy. Come on, be a big one. Tired of catching babies. I think it's fun.
There we go. That's a nice one.
How do you take it off here?
Hey, it's already on.
No, I'm talking.
Yeah.
How do you take it off? How you take it off the mount?
Oh, pull up on that thing on the right. Yeah, pull that thing up. Oh, yeah. Oh, did you see it? Dude, it flashed way out there. It's a monster. Oh,
Just running toward you.
oh, it's a big boy.
Nice.
It's recording, isn't it? Got that red light on?
Yep.
Oh, I don't like that.
That's just right there in the surf, huh?
It's cold.
Right
Come on,
there.
baby.
Up.
It's a monster, bro.
Nice.
I've been meeting on the last one. About the same size. I'll take it. It might be smaller than the last one.
A little bit.
Feels heavy though. That's a stout little guy. Woo! Man. That was nice.
How's that feel?
That was a nice, oh, it felt good. That was a nice little fight.
The shark slayer right here, boy. What's up? Oh shit. Look what he just stuck on my arm. Can you see that? Focus. Look what he stuck on my arm. Came off the mama.
Yeah, it was recording though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. Why is it still on my arm?
Yeah. Dude. Look at the size of this beast. Hell yeah. That's exciting. Another successful trip. Caught another big ass shark.
Swamp ass.
Caught swamp ass. Nah, man, he was killing the sharks today too. He probably caught what, 8 or 9. I'm gonna put out all the ones that he got on GoPro, but I can vouch he got more than that. Got a whole bunch of them. But it was fun, man. This is a spot right here, and we're not telling y'all where it's at. Although there was like probably what, 4 or 5 trucks that followed us out there, followed us out here. I doubt they were catching as much as we were though. How many species of shark did you catch? You caught a spinner, a couple of hammerheads, a couple of black tip, bonnet head.
4 or 5.
They're killing it. It was a good day.